It is time to say goodbye to our coffee pot. We had this thing for about 6 years or something. Time to replace it. This little handle, I was trying to do a deep clean, but this thing broke. So it's time to get a new one. Let's replace this thing. Oh man, check this out. It's gonna be a good workout element for the mornings. Let's get it set up. Oh man, would you take a look at that? Just look at it. Oh my goodness, it's touchscreen. Let me see. Let me check it out. Uh, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, 12 ounces. Oh man, this thing is tight. 6 ounces. I'm gonna do a cleaning, so let's go with 12. All right. It gives you the option. I guess this one's for regular coffee. And man, where do I start it from? Oops. I guess not. Oh, okay, nice. There you go. I got it running. I guess you just leave it there. I already washed it and everything. So I guess it's supposed to pour now. Oh, yeah, look at that. So I'm going to be using this for my coffee in the morning workouts. Sweet. All right, so here's where you put the water, okay? And the capacity is pretty good. Here's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring. Yeah, so I hope you like the small review. I don't really use instructions. I like to figure it out just randomly. I got it to work, so that is a big plus. All right, let's get this going. Let's make some coffee.